Hello! Today we'll fix headphones with damaged or torn off 4-pin jack, aka with microphone and control buttons. As always, soldering kit is required and you should buy any 4-pin plug beforehand. Start by removing leftover stuff from the wire, probably left by breaking the old jack, for example some spare rubber. Then cut off the wire at the damaged place. You can also cut some millimeters with reserve from the undamaged wire. Then straighten out the cord by gently pulling it, so you can cut off the excess rubber casing and the headphone tip will last for a longer time. Then throw on the new jack. Also leave jack screw section on the wire so you don't forget to put it on before soldering. Then take 2 or 3 centimeters long heat shrink tubing, slightly stretch one of the ends and put it on. Carefully, without damaging the vanes, take out the wire's rubber cover, about 3 centimeters. And also separate vanes by color, so we can later solder them. Then cut off the cloth inner thread. Now we have 4 vanes, left, right, ground and microphone. Ground is formed by wrapping together microphone and headphones ground wires. Then prepare all vanes for soldering and of course solder them. Also check with multimeter which color is left, right, mic and ground. Then cut off spare wire lengths, so they don't interrupt our soldering. Long wires are bad because there is only little space in a jack. For better result, cover jack contacts with tin. Put wire in the jack and squeeze it together, but not so hard, do it gently. Then solder back all the wires, but don't mix their sequence, just do it really carefully. And this is how it looks when all wires are soldered. Well, for me. Then, with the help of superglue, strengthen and isolate all the wires for additional strength. And put on previously installed heat shrink tubing on the jack spot, where wire was squeezed with metal. Well, last step is to screw together the jack and headphones are fixed. And here's how it looks. Take black shrink tubing, about 2 centimeters longer than jack, and stretch it wider to get it over the jack. Put some superglue where wire leaves the jack. Then put on the heat shrink tubing so it covers all jack and applied glue. It should look like in this photo. And here's the DIY result. Fixed AKG K551 headphones with 4-pin jack. You can again listen to music and answer some important calls. If microphone is not needed, you can also use 3-pin jack and just cut off the mic without soldering it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment about your success, leave a like and subscribe. Also follow me to not miss other DIY videos. Goodbye!